All right, me and Rigatoni got the YYHY Elevated Dog Bowl Stand. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm looking forward to checking these out. Let's take a look, see what we got. Nice packaging. Here we have the stands and the bowls themselves. All right, let's check them out. Oh, wow, that is nice. That is very nice. I like it. Nice, kind of a gunmetal gray, dark ceramic food bowl here. Two of them. A couple of quick measurements on this. It is 6 inches by a little, about 2 inches deep. I have a little dog that's about 13 pounds. That's plenty for him. You can have one food bowl and a water bowl. All right, let's get these off to the side and check out these stands. Nice wooden stands. Okay, get the stands snapped in here. Kind of got to work them down there a little bit. They lay pretty flat. So these things are designed to be used separately, use them one at a time, or each of these has this buckle system set up on the side. So if you wanted to, you could snap these buckles together like that and link them together. Now you got one unit. That is pretty cool. Look at that. These bowls are made of ceramic, which is recommended by veterinarians according to the literature. These are microwave and dishwasher safe, which is a big plus for me. And I kind of like the fact that they're just like a neutral color, like this gunmetal gray. So they'll kind of blend in with everything. And I also like the fact that I can just pick them up and clean them. According to the literature, they're sturdy. Definitely I can attest to that. It says they're drop and shock resistant. I'm not going to test that. I was thinking too, this would also be great for a cat. Looks like it's good for small, medium, and large size dogs. Let's test them out. All right, I've cleaned these bowls out. Just got them out of the dishwasher, and they're ready to go. So let's throw them in the microwave. He likes his Caesar food microwaved, so let's test it out. There's 7 seconds. All right. So if you're in the market for a new dog or cat bowl for your dog or cat, check out the YYHY bowls. They are microwavable. They're dishwasher safe. They're great for dogs of all sizes, like this little guy here, or big dogs. They've got a nice neutral color to them, strong base. They can be detached, so you can use them as single units or one solid 2 bowl unit. And we love them, right, buddy? What are you eating there? Want to say goodbye to the camera? We love them. Who's a good boy, huh? You're a good boy? He loves them. Good boy.